How to set up Windows 11 with a local account. Windows 11 enforces the use of a Microsoft account by default. When you set up a PC with Windows 11, regardless of whether you're installing a Home or Pro edition, you're asked to sign in with a Microsoft account, and you don't see any mentions about creating a local account instead. The good news is that, even if Microsoft doesn't make it easy for us, you can install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. For that, you need to stop Windows 11 from asking for a Microsoft account. Here are the exact steps. Boot your PC from the Windows 11 installation disk, USB stick, or ISO file. Wait for a couple of seconds, and your computer or device should briefly display a message asking you to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Then, regardless of whether you want to boot from a USB stick or DVD or ISO file, press any key on your keyboard to load the Windows 11 setup wizard. Choose the language, time, currency, and keyboard. Click Install Now. Enter the Windows 11 activation key or skip it. Choose the Windows 11 edition you want to install. Select Accept the Microsoft software license terms. Click or tap on Custom. Install Windows Only Advanced. Choose the partition where to install Windows 11. Windows 11 is installing. Wait for a couple of minutes. Restart your computer now. Windows 11 is getting ready to finalize its installation. Choose your country from the list. Choose the keyboard layout you want to use. Choose whether to add a second keyboard layout. The Windows 11 setup check for updates. Choose a name for your Windows 11 device. Choose to install Windows 11 for personal use. When you get to the step where you're asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, unplug your computer's network cable to disconnect it from the internet. If you're installing Windows 11 on a laptop, make sure you don't connect to any Wi-Fi network until you've created the local account. This is an essential step, and skipping it will render your whole endeavor useless. Then, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open Command Prompt. Run this command to set up Windows 11 with local account. This command is process skip its network requirements. Press Enter on the keyboard and your computer immediately restarts, no further questions asked. Once your PC restart, choose I don't have internet, and click or tap the Continue with limited setup. Enter a name for the local account that you're creating on your PC, choose a password, set the security questions, and continue with the usual personalization process for your Windows 11 installation. Congratulations! You've managed to set up Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. Thank you for watching this video and hope this can help you.